Now moving to our question number 3, part first. For any integer a, what is minus 1 multiply a equal to? So firstly you have to understand the question. So what is in this question, that if I take any integer a is positive. You have to notice that a is positive because there is no sign in front of a, so the a is positive. And for any integer a, what is minus 1 multiply a equal to? Now here is written for any integer a. So if I write here minus 1 multiply 2, because here is written any integer a and a is in positive. So 2 1 2 with a minus sign because plus minus minus. And then the next, if I take any integer like minus 1 multiply 4 equal to 4 ones are 4 and minus 4. So in this question you will notice that there is a similarity between 1 multiply 2 and minus 1 multiply 4. What is the similarity? That it is the number itself. Okay, now 4 multiply 4, 4, the number itself, but with a negative integer. So can I write this as, for any integer a, minus 1 multiply a is equal to minus a. Now what is the meaning of a? A means the number itself but with a negative integer. So this was our part number first. Now let us come to our part number second. So now moving to our question number second, part 2, determine integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. So basically what you have to do in this question, you have to firstly understand the question that determine the integer. What is the meaning of determine the integer? That you have to give an integer whose product means multiply. You have to give an integer when multiplied with minus 1 gives minus 22. So there are two ways to solve it. You can simply write that 22 multiply minus 1 is minus 22, because 22 multiply minus 1, 22 plus minus, 22 ones are 22 and plus minus minus, this will be minus 22. So you can simply write that it is 22, or you can solve it in a little complex way like this. If I write here minus 1 multiply x equal to minus 28, let the number be x, let the integer be x. So minus 1 multiply x equal to 22. So I can do it like this, that x equal to is minus 22, here is multiply. So minus 1 will go there and divide by minus 22. So minus minus cancelled with each other, and now 1 ones are 1, 1, 22s are 22, so this is 22. Actually you can simply write it or do it in a complex way. I would suggest that you could write it in a simple way like as 22 multiply minus 1 equal to minus 22. So now let us move to the B part. And now moving to our B part, what is our B part? 37. So if you find it a little difficult by simply multiplying it and find the number, so you can use the, you can make the equation of it and solve it easily. Like is this, you can just write here that minus 1 multiply by x equal to 37. So here will be x and there will be 37 by minus 1, and 1 ones are 1, 137 the 1. And here is minus 37 left, so this will be minus 37, because here is a minus left, so it will be minus 37. And so you can write it as that minus 37 multiply minus 1 equal to 37, because 37 multiply 1, so you can write it as minus 37 multiply minus 1. 37 multiply 1 is 37 and minus minus plus, so this will be 37. So this is your answer. Now let us move to the C part. our C part is 0. So now you have to determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 0. So now I think there is no need to solve this in an equation where you can simply solve it, because you know that 0 multiply minus 1, 0 ones are 0 and plus minus minus. So this will be, 0 is neutral, there is no sign in front of 0, minus or plus. So this will simply be 0. So now let us move to our fourth part. So now moving to our fourth part, starting from minus 1 multiply 5, write various patterns to show that minus 1 multiply minus 1 equal to 0. So now in this question you will be a little confused that how can we create a pattern. Actually that is very easy to create a pattern. If we firstly multiply minus 1 and minus 5. So 5 ones are 5 with a minus sign. So this is our first question. So now can I write the next as minus 1 multiply 4. Minus 1 multiply 4, 4 ones are 4 with a minus sign, because plus minus minus. So to create a pattern, can I write here that minus 4 is equal to minus 5 minus minus 1. Can I write it as this? So now let us solve it and see that is this equation equal to minus 4 or not. So 5 minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 5 minus 1 is, you can't understand like this, I am going to explain you. Minus 5 minus minus plus, this will be plus 1, plus minus minus, 5 minus 1 equal to 4, and which one is bigger, 5 or 1? 5 is bigger and the sign in front of 5 is of minus, so it will be minus 4. So now this is also equal to minus 4. So I think we have created a pattern that is suitable for this, that starting from minus 1 multiply 5. So what you will do, you will continue this pattern till minus 1 multiply minus 1. So now let us move on to our next integer, which is 3. So 3 ones are 3 plus minus minus, this will be minus 3, and here it was minus 5, but here we will write it as minus 4 minus minus 1. So I can write it as minus 4 minus minus plus 1, and plus minus minus, 4 minus 1 3 with a negative sign, because 4 is bigger and the sign in front of 4 is minus, so it will be minus 3. So it will be like this, that minus 4 minus minus 1 is also equal to minus 3. So now let us move to our next integer, which is, so 2 ones are 2 and plus minus minus, this will be minus 2, and here we have carried out minus 4 here, so in minus 2 we will carry out minus 3 here, minus minus 1. So actually what have we done, we have created a constant pattern, a continuous pattern which we can use in all of the integers. So now here also we will do like this, minus 3 minus minus plus 1, plus minus minus, 3 minus 1 2 and minus 2. So now 3 minus minus 1 is also equal to minus 2. So now let us move to the next integer, minus 1 multiply by 1 equal to, we will carry out minus 2 here, that will be 1 1 1 with a negative sign, because plus minus minus, and here we will carry out minus 2 here, minus 2 minus minus 1. So this will be minus 2 minus minus plus 1 plus minus minus 2 minus 1 1. 2 is bigger, sign in front of 2 is of minus, so this will be minus 1. So minus 2 minus minus 1 is also equal to minus 1. So now let us move on to our next integer, which is minus 1 multiply 0. So now what is minus 1 multiply 0? Minus 1, it will be 0, and we will carry out minus 1 here. Minus 1 minus minus 1. So again what we will do here, we will put a plus sign here, plus 1, and plus minus minus 1 minus 1 0, and 0 is neutral, so there will be no sign in front of 0. So now let us move to the next integer. So now our next integer is minus 1 multiply minus 1. So this is our last product, because we have to show the patterns from minus 1 5 to minus 1 multiply minus 1. So now let us solve our last product, and it will be 1 ones are 1, minus minus plus, so this will be plus 1 with a positive integer. So now if we carry out 0 here and minus minus 1, then it will be 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So this was our pattern from which we showed that minus 1 multiplied 5 to minus 1 multiplied by 1. So this was our question number 4th. Now let us come to our question number 5th. And if you have any queries or any doubts, leave it in the comments below, and also subscribe to our channel.